Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening ClearSpace and signing in. Provide the app permissions it requests so features work smoothly. Once done, create or select a workspace to keep sessions organized. This helps avoid lost files later. Make sure notifications are enabled so alerts and sync confirmations arrive. You'll also set a default project folder now, because having a single destination simplifies saving and exporting. This first set of actions gets the app ready. You create a new session and pick a template or blank canvas depending on your goal. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Next, configure inputs. Select microphone, adjust gain, choose camera, and define the screen capture area to focus on the right window. Once set, choose output settings, codec, resolution, and bitrate, and set autosave to every 5 minutes to prevent data loss. This middle phase is where precision matters for quality and reliability. You now preview the session, trim any mistakes, and then render or export in the format you selected. Double-check file names and destination folders to avoid overwriting. Once exported, share through Lync, Cloud Sync, or a local transfer and confirm collaborator permissions so they can access files. If something goes wrong, no audio, failed export, or sync errors. First confirm app permissions, then restart the app. If still unresolved, clear the app cache in settings and try the export again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.